All right, good afternoon, everyone. So, we are from Group 5, and today we're going to talk about Theophan Liu Fen perspective in discourse analysis. All right, here's the name of the member. First, there's a Ken Winov, there's me, and there's Fikri Salam, Fikri Afaldri, Faradi Basasabila, and Nova Indrani. All right, next.
Okay.
All right. Critical discourse analysis from Theo van Leeuwen perspective. Well, as we can read, Theo van Leeuwen is one of the key figures in critical discourse analysis, particularly in the study of social representation in text. His research focuses on how groups or individuals are represented in discourse through various linguistic strategies. One of his most notable concepts is exclusion and inclusion, which is will be explained for the other members. And this is talk about how certain groups can either be omitted or included in text, whether explicitly or implicitly. All right, next.
Okay. Inclusion in discourse. Inclusion refers to how certain individuals or groups are deliberately omitted from a discourse in critical discourse analysis. This strategy can be used to conceal responsibility or erase the identity of specific group within a narrative. Have a type of exclusion. Van Leeuwen, 2008, sufficient omission information about a specific actor or group is entirely omitted from the text. Example: mistakes in financial management have been made. This statement does not specify who is responsibility for the mistakes. Background: the imposing the actor is mentioned but is not the main focus of the text. Example: new policies have been implemented by the government. Well, the government is mentioned, the specific discussion remains unclear. Okay. Who is Ken?
All right, next will be explained by Fikra Fadri.
Okay, next is the inclusion in discourse. Well, in the inclusion, they have a opposite of execution is describe how individual or groups are incorporated into discourse in variation strategies. Jadi di sini tadi sudah dijelaskan ada yang namanya eksklusi. Eksklusi ini maksudnya ada faktor sosial dari wacana yang dapat dihilangkan. Misalnya ada semacam kaum marginal. Nah, kaum marginal ini di dalam wacana ini disembunyikan karena hal tersebut adalah merupakan eksklusi, sedangkan inklusi ini suatu kelompok tertentu, bisa dari kelompok marginal dan yang lain-lain sebagainya. Nah, hal tersebut bisa dilakukan atau diskreditkan dalam wacana. In there are types of inclusion menurut Van Leeuwen 2008. Yang pertama ada role allocation. It refers to how an entity is assigned an active or passive role in discourse. Contohnya, the police arrest the thief. The police are positioned to the active subject factor. The thief was arrested by the police. The thief is a passive role. Jadi contoh sederhananya ada seorang polisi yang menangkap seorang penjahat gitu, di mana seorang polisi ini menjadi opposite-nya sebagai subjek aktor yang sedang menangkap pelaku dari seorang inklusi tersebut. In the next specification, identifying individual or group explicitly given in a given context. For example, student from university won the international debate competition. The specific identity of the student is highlight. Jadi sebagai contoh yang kedua ini ada seorang mahasiswa dari Universitas A memenangkan sebuah debat kompetisi internasional. Nah, maka dari itu secara tidak langsung nama dari student si mahasiswa ini langsung naik daun dan secara discourse analisisnya masuk ke inklusi, yaitu namanya tersebar di berbagai luas, di highlight, dipandang secara luas. Yang ketiga ada generalization and individualization. Yang pertama ini ada generalization, sebuah group mention in general terms without referring to specific individual. For example, teachers are the backbone of education. Jadi untuk genericization ini dia cuma mention salah satu grup yang hanya diperlukan saja berdasarkan konsep wacana kritis. Dan yang kedua adalah ada individualization. Particular person is named to emphasize their role. For example, Dr. John Smith develop a new vaccine. Nah, ini adalah sebuah wacana yang seperti berinovasi gitu, berinovasi menciptakan sebuah sesuatu yang hal baru, sehingga hal tersebut segera dipublikasikan dan orang semua tahu. Ini termasuk dalam inklusi juga. Seperti misalnya hal-hal baru yang booming ini ada protein sintetis berbasis AI. Nah, itu juga masuk ke dalam wacana inklusi. Oke, next. Untuk nomor 3 akan dijelaskan oleh saudara kita. Mohon maaf, saudari kita Farah. Oke,
Okay,
Farah
3.
Farabila,
Analytical
silakan.
framework, the Von Loen's approach to CDA. Von Loen's analytical framework help us understand how discourse shape social perception through exclusion and inclusion strategies. Step in analysis. 1. Identify text structure. Determine whether exclusion or inclusion strategies are present. 2. Analyze subject wrote in sentences. Assess whether key actors are explicitly mentioned or subtly omitted. 3. Evaluate social context. Examine how do these strategies influence public perception or specific groups. 4. Compare with other search. Cross-check how different media outlets present the same information. Okay, next. Nova.
Okay, next is a case study from academic research data. So the title is Representation of Migrant in Europe News Media. So the finding is media often use exclusion strategies to erase individual identities and refuge relate news. So in this case, especially in crime reporting, reviews are frequently referenced explicitly to reinforce negative stereotypes. So, the government police apply exclusion strategies to avoid accountability for humanitarian crisis. So, the last is the conclusion. So, Theo Van Loon critical discourse analyze highlights how language can be used to shape public perceptions of different social groups by recognizing exclusion and inclusion strategies in discourse. So we can develop a more critical approach to interpreting media narratives, public policy, and social discussion.
All right. So that's a presentation from Group 5. We have been talking about inclusion, exclusion. Sorry. I think we're gonna finish this presentation. I'm Ken Winov, Ika Salam, Ikra Fajri, Farida Basasabila, Nova Indriani. Would like to say thank you for paying attention to this presentation and thank you. See you guys.